What's the fastest way to go from zero to $3,000 copywriting clients? Most people will tell you it will take months or years, but I'm about to try it in just 21 days, starting from scratch. First, let me introduce myself with 1 minute simple story. July 31st, 2024. At the office, I turned off my notebook to go to lunch and caught a glimpse of my reflection from the notebook. Here is it. Exhausted eyes, stumper shoulders, I saw slowly being crushed under office bright lights. For 2 years, I've done what I was supposed to do, juggling from university classes with stable digital marketing job at successful companies. The kind of career path most college students dream about. But I wasn't dreaming. I was barely surviving. I felt like I was just another replaceable cog in the machine that would keep turning without me. So I've made one of the scariest decisions of my life. I quit. I've been studying copywriting in my spare time, dreaming of the freedom it could bring. Location freedom, time freedom, financial freedom. But here's a painful truth. Since quitting, I've been paralyzed, afraid to reach out to clients, insecure about my skills, terrified of sales calls. Month passed, August through December, learning but not learning. I joined Passive Forty's copywriting program in January, which finally gave me a framework. But still, zero premium clients. Now graduation is just 1 month away. In June 2025, the deadline when I need to be financially independent from my parents. Clock is ticking, so I'm doing something drastic. The challenge. Can I land $3,000 copywriting client in just 21 days? Starting today, April 19th through May 10th, I'm working 12 hours daily on nothing but copywriting. That's 252 hours of focused effort. Here's exactly how I'll spend each day. Direct outreach, 4 hours. Brand building, 2 hours. Deep learning, 6 hours. Each day, I share my wins, my embarrassing rejections, actual client responses, and most valuable lessons I'm learning. By following along, you'll either witness incredible transformation or honest failure. Either way, you see exactly what it takes to break into the industry from scratch. Subscribe now and comment, I'm watching. So, I know you're holding me accountable for all 21 days of this journey. Day one starts now. Let's go.